This is the quick change pocket hole kit from Kreg. Now the main focal point is the chuck adapter. It allows you to easily switch from the drill bit through to the driver. Quick, easy and hassle-free. Now this is ideal if you're only going to be working with one driving tool. Changing over from the drill bit to the driver is extremely frustrating, especially when you have to do it for every single screw. So with the use of the adapter, this removes that hassle and saves you time and effort. Just pop it into your drill, connect it up, in goes your drill bit. After you finish using it, just pull back the collar and out pops the drill and pop in the driver. Quick and easy, an easy quick release system. The kit comes with a hex shank pocket drill as well as a 6-inch number 2 square driver. There's also a spare depth collar and an Allen key wrench. The adapter can also accommodate all other 1/4-inch bits, not necessarily just the Kreg driver and drill bits. It's constructed of durable hardened steel and anodized aluminium. This is built to last. At the end of the day, this is one of those tools which optimizes your efficiency of the job that you have at hand. It's just one of the many Kreg tools that Builders has available. To check out more of the other product reviews, visit the Builders website or check out the Builders fan channel on YouTube.